you ain't got shit going, go grab a glizzy, get alert. Shots to G-Post, RP, and the reason he in the dirt. You gotta know I go too far. It's too old.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be talking about how to put some bump in your G37. So as y'all can see, I got everything tore out the back. I already had my subs installed, but for some reason I wasn't getting a good ground. So I tore the seats out, and I'm going to connect it to probably a seatbelt bolt, sand some of that paint off there and get a better connection. But while I'm out here and I'm tearing the car apart, I thought, hey, let me make a video and show the people that don't know how to install a subwoofer in a G with the factory radio. So let's get into the video, and I'm not going to try to talk too much this video, but fuck it, let's get into the video. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to pop your hood. Okay, pop your hood, because you want to run your ground wire. Excuse the mess. You want to run your ground wire on this side because your battery is located right there. So pop your hood, get all these trim pieces off right here. They just pop up, so just put on them. I'm trying to do this with one hand. There we go. All right, so that pops off like that. As you guys can see, I already have my ground wire ran. This panel right here has to come off. It's a screw right here. Take that screw off, and then this panel comes off. So the ground wire is ran all the way up there through the firewall. Pop this down, that pops down, pulls out, real simple and easy. I'm not sure if y'all guys can see it because I had to fish it through with a coat hanger. So it's ran all the way up there through the firewall. Let's go to the engine bay real quick. Show engine bay. Now I already took mine apart, so mine is, it's not on there very secure. So you're just gonna take this off. You're gonna have a screw right there. Not a screw, but it's gonna be a clip right there, clip right there, clip right there, clip over there. But I lost all the clips. So as you guys can see, this is my battery. I got my positive running like that. I have my inline fuse right here that goes through the grommet. Now guys, when I first did this, I took the grommet off and I ran it underneath the grommet. And every time it rained, water got into my car on my passenger side. So make sure you put this grommet on and you run it through the grommet. So this is the power wire, as y'all guys can see. That's my cabin air filter. Need to change it, it's dirty. So the power wire, that's everything that you're gonna be doing in the front of the car. So let's come to the trunk. I'm gonna make this video one long continuous video. This is my amp right here. So if you can see up here, you have your factory Bose amp and your little, what's this, 8-inch sub, I think, 8-inch. I'm not mistaken, I don't know. But all the wires are right here, as you guys can see. I tapped into these wires already, but I didn't have to. So what you want to do is you want to come right here to the plug. And with this plug, you have a violet and a blue. And your blue is probably a positive, and the violet is your negative. And then also you have your remote turn on wire right here also, which is the black. So everything can be hooked up right here for your outline converter. My outline converter is right here. So you want to run negative to negative, positive, positive. Hook it up right here, negative to negative, positive to positive. And then That's going to come out with your RCAs. See if I can put this over here. That's going to come out with your RCAs and run to your amp. That's going to get the signal to your amp, and then your ground, you just find out whichever ground you want to use, which I'm actually doing now, and I'm rerunning my ground. And your power wire, your remote turn on, all that is right here. Negative, positive, remote turn on, and then you just run your ground. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. But I'm about to finish this car up, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished result. All right guys, so before I forget, once you run your power wire from your battery all the way through underneath here, it's going to come out right here, right? Now I have took out the back seats, everything is right there. You want to find a place you can run your power wire where it goes in the trunk. Now I picked this location when I first did it because I didn't take anything out of the car. So I can see here that I have multiple holes that I could have ran, like this one I could have came out the side. That way it stayed flush like that. So I'm going to rerun this wire here. So let's go into the trunk. I got the top panel off. Now this panel that's on the back is just held on with one clip, two clip. It's another clip right there, and it's another clip on the other side. Where is it? Up there. So I don't need to take the whole panel off. So you guys can see, once you lift it up, you guys can see everything, how it's ran. So you want to run all your wires through this right here. Pick a hole, pick a spot, or make your own hole, and run all your wires to the trunk, which really is only a power wire. So yeah guys, I hope this video helped you guys out. Leaving comments below if you have any questions, concerns, and things like that. Make sure you guys also hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.